ended up making pork chops, mashed potatoes, and salad for dinner. So good. Then I had to get some chores done before the ride, and I also wanted to hang out and relax for a little bit before we had to leave. So I ended up doing the dishes and cleaning up the kitchen. My brake fluid on my bike was really dark, and also I just needed to get it bled because my brakes were feeling a little bit squishy, so Ramon ended up doing that as well as doing a little bit stuff on his bike before we left. So I think the reason why this ride was so big was because we made it for the out-of-towners, so they could just get to ride the streets with people who know the area. And this guy on this Grom killed it. He was super good, along with the guys that he bring with him. They were all very talented.
Look at that dude.
Thirsty ass fool. Sick ass day. They just got me off the fucking. I don't even know how to
No. Whoa.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair. Oh, go do this, king in the castle.
Good footage.
So we ended up stopping at the gas station. Everyone was pretty tired, as well as just needing something to fuel them with water or a snack. So that's what we did, and we hung out here for quite a while, and then we all decided that we were gonna split off, and me and Ramon ended up going and riding after this.
Thank you. Oh, poor dog. He's so scared. He's okay. He's just a baby.
It's a baby.
But you still had to say, okay, Mom.
I just a baby.
Got a Red Bull? Yes. You wanna see me? You wanna see me? Fucking pop that bitch out.
What are you doing, Michael?
Oh, well, I am. Sorry.